Hello friends, my name is Sarah, for those of you who don't know. I wanted to give you some tips and tricks on how I do my laundry. So I use Young Living Thieves line to do my laundry and Young Living for pretty much everything in my home. So I wanted to show you, this is all I need to do my laundry. Like any and every load of laundry. We're a family of 4, and we've got 2 littles, so we do a lot of laundry. So what's super cool about this, if you look up laundry detergent, just like whatever you use from the store on the Environmental Working Group, many laundry detergents that you find at the store have some not so great stuff in them. If they have synthetic scents in them, that can hide over 300 ingredients, like and many of them toxic. And I didn't believe that myself, and I loved like my lavender scents and things on my laundry. And I can tell you, a friend gave me some clothes a while back, and I had to wash them in my stuff probably 5 times before I could even wear them without getting a headache. So it's that impactful once you decide to make the switch and switch to some non-toxic, more natural, plant-based products. So this little guy does about 120 loads in our house, because literally all you do is about a teaspoon of this laundry soap in a high efficiency washer. And so I'll just show you exactly what I do. I just take it and I do about this much in a load. That's it. And I promise it actually gets our clothes clean. And then if I want a little bit extra softening power and more of a neutralizing scent, I'll just do some straight vinegar in the softener compartment. I just use this vinegar and just some baking soda. If I'm doing whites, I like to put about 1/2 cup of baking soda actually in the drum of the washer with the whites, and it comes out totally white. We have white towels in our house and they have stayed pretty white. So another thing that I like to do, one of the more toxic things that you can have in your home is actually dryer sheets. So you think about it, you wash and dry your clothes in chemicals, and then you put them on and walk around with them on all day. And your skin is not a barrier, it is a carrier. So literally anything that you put on your skin or just have around you and breathe in is going to be in your bloodstream within a minute. So with that said, I have replaced my dryer sheets with these little wool dryer balls. And I actually need to go to the store and get some safety pins and put on there, because it does away with the static. But for whatever reason in our house, we don't struggle too much with static. But my favorite oil to put on those dryer balls is geranium. So I just take my geranium bottle and put like 5 drops on one ball, maybe another 2 or 3 on the other. Throw them in the dryer, and then, put the clothes in the dryer and start it. And that's it. So it really doesn't cost very much, and especially if you like your citrus oils, you can really use any oil that you like the smell of in your dryer balls. So, and then you can also add it to your laundry soap if you choose. So I hope that helps, and have a great day.